Hello, I am Anurag Yadav pursuing BS in Data Science and Application from IIT Madras. This is my modern application development one, a placement portal application project. The portal has the user roles admin, company, and student, each with their own dashboard. Let me walk through the application. This is the code of my placement portal web application. All routes are here, static css and uploaded resume here, templates are there, and app.application configuration and models. The problem was that institute rely on manual process for campus requirement spreadsheets emails, which is inefficient. I build a web portal where admin manage everything, companies post placement drives, and student apply for them. The student ensure only approved company can post drives, and only approved drives are visible to student. Let me show the working application. We write this is the landing page. It introduces three roles of the portal. User can log in and register from here. Student can log in, register by selecting their roles and name by filling their name, emails, phones, department, CGPA, and password. Now click on the register. Here see the message register successfully. You can now log in. Now here's the dashboard for the student name Ayush. Here you can see the details of the student, and here we can upload your resume by clicking on edit profile. Here you can upload your resume. This is the placement drive that company created. Now log out. Now register as a role company. Company register with their name, email, HR contact, and website. After registration, the company must wait for the admin approval before they can log in. Now log in as a admin. Now I am logging in as approved company. Company shows all the drives created by this company along with the number of applicants for each. Let me create a new placement drive by filling their job title. Now create the drive. Here the status is shows pending. Drive submitted. It will be visible on student after admin approval. Now go to the admin portal. Here you can see the pending drive approval that was created by the company Google. Let me approve this. Now student can see this drive. Now log in as a student. This is a dashboard of the student. The student details, my application. The student apply in the company Google for job AI engineer. The status is shortlisted. Now this is the drive that the admin approved. Let me apply now. Now status is applied. Log out and log in as a company. Here you can see this drive I was created one application was applicants applied for this job title role. There is a status applied on date 5 April 2026. Here you can update this and try by shortlisted, selected or reject this. Let me select this and now save. Now the student Ayush is selected as a job role for data analytics. So sorry, data scientist. This was the complete demo of my project to placement portal application. We're using Flask, SQLite, and Bootstrap. Thank you for watching.